Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol, and if you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos. If you're liking it, hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And in this particular video, we are going to discuss about an intraday topic. So it's going to be an intraday strategy or an idea, whatever we call it. So it will be more of a scalping. So scalping is a method where the traders try to enter quickly and exit quickly with the motivation of making some quick profit. So we'll be learning a method or practicing a method of scalping in intraday. So based on the voting which happened on Telegram, we already did a price action video. Next we are doing a second voted intraday overall topics. So if you're not part of my Telegram, you can also be part of it and let me know your opinions always. And if you're not part of my Instagram channel still, Smart Trader new channel, so you can be part of the Smart Trader Diaspol. You can just search Smart Trader _Diaspol, or else the link is in video description. So join as soon as possible in our Instagram also. So in today's topic, we will be talking about a method which you can practice. So only for scalping in intraday. When I say scalping in intraday, it should not buy this and hold it for tomorrow, day after tomorrow. The goal is to enter and exit, because if you start holding, the direction can change anytime. So scalper will not wait for a longer time. As soon as he gets his money, he will exit. That's the motivation of a scalper, because stocks or the price keeps going up and down as usual in intraday. So this is for educational purpose only. Kindly do paper trading. Like I always tell, all the videos are for learning purpose, not to experiment, because half knowledge is dangerous. And now with different thought process, if you do and someone else do, what we do will be totally different. So when you paper trade, you get to realize the different criteria, situations, and then you can modify and work on those, and also on your skills. Okay, so without wasting time, few things which you have to keep in mind in this particular method. First thing is nifty direction. If any beginners don't know what is nifty direction, I would normally say about this one. This is nifty direction. Okay, so nifty direction, whenever you open nifty, or if you see the percentage of nifty, it should be in buy side or sell side if you want to take a decision. So I have kept 0.20 percentage. Okay, remember this is percentage, all these are percentage. If it is above 0.2 positive, consider buy side. If it is negative, sell side. And if it is between, the value is between 0.20 positive to 0.20 negative, then consider it as a neutral market, or avoid such type of market in trading. Now people who are there in my secret Telegram channel know how to identify which side to go, and all those they practice normally whenever I send them. So now I will not confuse the beginners. Some beginners point of view, you can use this, or if you're experienced trader, you can decide directly seeing a gap up or gap down and understand which side the market is and which side we can take advantage. All right, so keeping that first point, second point is you need to identify top stocks or top gainers in the morning. Now let's say by the time market starts at 9:15 for intraday, within 9:30 you need to identify a stock which is moving in terms of percentage. Now you have so many methods of picking a stock in the morning. I have taught so many methods in our channel, you can go through. Or if you are a beginner, you don't know much of methods, then you can go with top gainer stock or a top stocks, trending stocks in different website, which is performing basically in the morning in intraday. So identify that stock, and then once you identify that stock, you have to use few parameters over here. So for that, what you have to do, you have to use an indicator called parabolic SAR, and a time frame of 15 minutes, and target and stop loss I'll just tell you. So let's quickly put, you can just search over here parabolic like this, PAR, so it will come here. So I'm adding it. You can put time frame as 15 minutes. Okay, so now any random stock we can open, let's say Reliance. Okay, so this is the festival trading, not a normal day. So these are the normal days when the stock was trading. So all you have to do is, now let's say morning you got to know the market was buy side, because as per the criteria 0.20 buy side. Okay, now we have to go buy side, right? So what I did, I went to the top gainer. I got, let's say, Reliance stock or top trending stock in different websites or some methods you used. You got Reliance as your top stock, which is actually moving green side, buy side. So you took Reliance only in that case, not a random stock. After taking Reliance, I'm just giving an example. What you will do, let's say this was a complete day. So let's say early morning 15 minutes, you see this parabolic star will create this dots over here. If it is in the below, it is considered buy, bullish. If it is in the top, it is called bearish. Okay. So now this is like bullish. It's going to go up. It's going to come down. This is what it says. So whenever you get the first candle, so you got to know in 5-10 minutes that this candle is green. So this candle has to complete. So, and as soon as this candle is completed, you see this dot is in the below. So what you would do is you will try to take a position buy side in the next candle, that is 15 minutes. So 9:30 this gets over, 9:15 to 9:30 it gets over, 9:31 this opens. As soon as the stock opens from the open price, you will buy this particular stock, and then from there you will hit either 0.3% target or 0.5% target based on your practice, what you do. And if you don't know to handle your stop loss, then if you're a beginner, then I would suggest go with 1:1 risk reward ratio just to be safe. Then you can go with 0.3 stop loss for 0.3 target and 0.5 stop loss for 0.5 targets. Okay, so keep this in mind, because the idea is in case you miss tomorrow, we can do a trade where we don't miss, or the chances of hitting target should be more. That's the main goal in scalping, not that with the stock whichever you took should be always right. Things can go wrong, so keep a stop loss. Let's say 1:1 risk reward ratio is the best in this particular case. Same way, let's the market was in negative side, or let's say this was negative and you thought we should go for negative selling side. You went to a top negative stock. Okay, as per the rule, you will go to sell side, so you will go to the top stock or top gainers, or I would say losers. Okay, for a selling you need a loser. Okay, so you will take a top losing stock you will take for the day. And then let's say, for example, if it is Wipro, same thing, what you will do, let's say this was a normal day, this is a festival day, let's say this is a 11th or 13th is a normal day. So this candle showed you that maybe this was a negative stock. I'm giving you example. So as soon as this candle was over, confirmation, already you know that its market is negative, I'm going to short. This is a top stock and it is saying negative here. Okay, so everything matches. Now as soon as this candle started, let's say I'm shorting over here, maybe 0.3 or 0.5, whatever is your target, you will scalp, you will set your target and you will try to finish your trade in this particular thing. Keep a 0.3% stop loss or 0.5% stop loss based on your target, so that in case you miss, let the stop loss it, don't worry, it's 0.3 percentage. So to to lose all your 100% capital, you need so much of trades to do 0.3. So it's more practical. So keep 0.3% stop loss, 0.3% target. Now very important thing is your discipline. Okay, why I say this particular thing is, see, few people can do good with this, few people can do wrong with this. The thing is, a person can do just one trade per day. If he wins, good. If he loses, he should not do revenge trade. Wait for the next day, again do his trade, either profit or loss. This is how the discipline should be there, and the idea is to make more of profit trades compared to more of loss trades. That is the strict goal you have to follow. What if you do first trade, let's say loss, to recover you went to do profit, again loss, profit, profit, loss, loss, loss. So that over trading will happen and the discipline goes off. And in scalping, discipline is very important, because you don't have any fundamental analysis or big technical analysis done here. It's a logic, it's a mixture of everything. So you're being lucky to get your target. So take your money out, next day comes, scalp 0.3 or 0.5, next day come, scalp 0.3 or 0.5. if it is profit, good. If it is loss also, it's good. Next day only you will wait, you will not trade on the same day. So hope this was an idea for you guys, or strategy I would say for you guys to practice. So kindly do paper trading, like I always tell. Do it at least for a month, because that is when you realize the trend. Because you watch this video after 6 months or 1 year, the trend of the market would have changed. So always check if the trend is still going on, and then always utilize this. So hope this was an add-on to your knowledge, and just like how we told, we'll do intraday overall topics. So this was one among this bucket. Soon I will do the next topics also going forward. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.